Alright, the other week my rear end temp sensor, my temp gauge dropped down to nothing. That's the front rear. I got out there to check the wires. The wires corroded and fell apart. When I tried to put them back on, the end of the temp sensor broke out. It's got a stud on it, and I'm supposed to use a stud fitting instead of clamping it down with a bolt, because it'll twist out of there. But let's see if I can get it here. Alright, there's the new one. It's got the wires connected now. That's a new one. All you do is pull it out. You see, minimal damage. Alright, you just pull it out and put a new one in. Just get under there. You'll lose a little bit of fluid, but just fucking yank it out, put the new one in, then you connect your wires, and that'll give you your rear end temp again. That's a part number K as in kilo, 379-12. That's on my truck, which is a 2005 Kenworth with an AG 380 suspension. That's 3 1/4 rears too. Now here's the old one I'll show you. Right here. This is the sensor that goes in the pumpkin. Right here is where you got your stud connection, and then you got your flat negative, flat ground. Inside here is a spring, and that's how you got your temperature. You got your wire, your copper coil wire in there. This is a 7/8, right there, 7/8. So you got to take it out and put a new one in. Just twist the old one out. Let that fluid drop a little bit. Fuck it, who cares? Put the new one in. Always make sure you got, before you do that, take your wires off and make sure you got continuity. You know, it might not be the sensor, so check your continuity. If you got continuity, then it's the sensor. But anyway, those that don't know, that's the rear end temp sensor.